So I have been a yoga teacher for almost a month now, and this has been my morning routine ever since. I usually wake up depending on my classes, either at 5 a.m. or 6:30 a.m. Most days I have classes at 6:30 and then I also have classes at 7:30. So today I woke up with my alarm. I wouldn't know what to do without it, and then the first thing I do is actually drink some water and hydrate. Then I just brush my teeth, I do my skincare as usual, change into my workout clothes. And one of my biggest challenges as a yoga teacher is actually to manage my hair wash days. It is so difficult because my scalp gets so dirty and flaky, and this has been my go-to hairstyle. I just put it in a French twist and secure it with a claw clip, and then I am just setting up my class. I take online classes mostly, so I just do it on my iPad. As you can see, I'm just accepting my students right there. I set up my yoga mat and then I go about teaching. Breathe out through your nose. Walk your hands in front. Remember, your hips do not leave the mat. And open the chest. Open the ribs. Look at your left palm or your left. Yes. Okay, it's been 4 hours of teaching and it's finally time to shower. As you can see, my hair has become so flaky. I have been getting scalp problems like dandruff, itchy scalp, flakes. So I'm going to show you something that I've been trying. This is the Biolage Scalppure range, which is suggested by my hairdresser. This is the Biolage Scalppure shampoo. Shampoo cleanses very gently and it also helps control dandruff. This has a pH balance of 5.5, which is ideal for sensitive scalp. Then I'm going to use the Scalppure conditioner, which is a very unique scalp and hair conditioner that helps control dandruff. This is a unique conditioner that actually can be applied on your scalp too. These products are also vegan and cruelty free. It has no added parabens, and generally most of the products that I've tried, they strip off my hair of its natural oils and moisture, but this left my hair so soft and shiny. I loved it. Then I'm going to use the Biolage Scalppure serum. This is a leave-in scalp serum that helps reduce excess sebum while also soothing your scalp. You can apply the serum directly onto your scalp with the help of the serum bottle, and then you can just massage it gently. You do not have to pour it into your palms. This regime is perfect for me and it leaves my scalp so clean and it makes my hair so soft, healthy. This range is made with pyroxene olamine, which helps you get rid of dandruff and itchy scalp, and bergamot, which is well known to naturally soothe your scalp from irritation. You can find the entire range up on Amazon. I've linked it in the description box for you guys to try it. And now I just go about my day and I'm ready to repeat this all over again tomorrow.